What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spikes, man. I am back, baby, with another lit video. Hey, man, welcome back to the channel, to all my OGs, and welcome to the channel for all my new people that's tuning in, man. Listen, man, it's your favorite friend, your boy on YouTube, man. It's your boy J Spikes, man. And what we do over here is a bunch of wheel turning action. Old school, new schools, it don't matter, man. We try to keep it moving and grooving over here. LS swaps, music, trunk popping, custom fabrications. We get it in over here, man. If you like that type of content, man, you might want to make sure you subscribe to the channel for one. Man, subscribe to the channel, man. We always got some heat dropping, man. We always got some heat dropping, I'm telling you. Click that notification bell if you want to join the family. Just click that notification bell so you'll always be notified when your boy drop one of the hit front yard boogie videos, man, on YouTube. You feel me? And if you do watch some of my videos, man, and you like the content, man, just hit that thumbs up button for YouTube, man. And for me, it help YouTube know that you love my content, man. You like my content, you want to see some more. And if you got any questions, comments, or opinions, y'all can leave that in the comment box below too. Cause y'all already know I talk back, baby. Hey, man, listen. Just another day. We back on this blue box Chevy today. Y'all want to see that box Chevy content? Here it is. We sprayed the box Chevy. Now it's the second day. Sprayed the box Chevy yesterday. Now it's time to put all this chrome back on this box Chevy. We got a lot of stuff. We got new bumper fillers, chrome pieces, window sweeps, all kind of stuff. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all watch this heat. All right, y'all. There she go. In the middle of the day. It's about 12 o'clock. And she done cured up overnight. There's the blue box Chevy, man. She looking pretty good. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, 1 to 10, man. How did I do on this paint job, man? She looking pretty good, man. We're gonna wet sand and buff that thing, but she got that grin on her, and she looking good, y'all. She looking good. I definitely left it on the wet for my boy, man. But yeah, y'all see what's going down. Y'all already seen it. But look, man, this what we got. Let me take y'all around. Ooh, don't hit none of that chrome, J Spice. Don't hit none of that chrome. There's gimbal moving, tweaking, y'all. All right, y'all see what we got? We got all the chrome, man. Front, back, side to side, window chrome. We got the lights. We got the we got all our clips to go down at the bottom, plus the ones that was on the car. A lot of this chrome came off the donor car we had. All the OGs gonna remember that donor car we had that we took apart. I had took it across the scale, man, after we got all the parts off of it. But my boy got brand new bumper moldings, front and back. We got the window felts and some more chrome pieces over there too we got to put on. So we're gonna go ahead and get that together today. Try to get as much as we can done today on the car. Cause let me zoom out for y'all a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, there y'all go. She looking good, y'all. Y'all see it. Y'all see that box Chevy. That camera hitting this. Got a little sun hitting it. Got a little shade hitting it. It ain't perfect, but I think myself, I give it a 9 out of 10. And before this video over, my boy, I convinced my boy to buy that Tiarra grill, man. We ordered that Tiarra grill. We just been keeping it on the low, man. My boy said he want to ride like me, man, with that Tiarra grill. You gotta have that $1 million smile on there, man. You know what I'm talking about? So before the end of this video, my boy supposed to be coming by when he get off. We're gonna put that $1 million, I'm gonna let him put that $1 million smile on that thing. You know, he bought this grill. It's a brand new box Chevy grill, but we're gonna go ahead and boost it on up a little bit and put the big boy panties on and put that $1 million smile on there. Ooh, look at that sun crawling across that thing. Come on now, quit playing them games. Quit playing them games. Y'all see it? Ooh wee. But yeah, let me put this camera down. We finna get to work. Y'all see it before. We're gonna put this chrome on here and see what she look after. Yes sir, get these lights going, bumper moldings on, and see what the car really look like. Wipe the windows down, get some of this nastiness off the windows. If you can see all this stuff on the windows and stuff, gotta get that stuff off. But yeah, man, let me get to work. I'll bring y'all back in a minute, baby. Watch this heat. All right, y'all, I'm making progress. Hey, y'all see that mailbox I painted? That's our new mailbox. You see that flipping? You see that flipping? You see that color flipping? Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna put that mailbox out there since I'm the paint man. We're gonna put that mailbox out there, flipping colors on them boys. All right, but anyway, back to this blue box Chevy. Y'all see what I got going on? Y'all see what I got going on? She looking like a car again, ain't she, y'all? I just stuck that grill up there. I ain't even put no bolts in it, so when my partner come over here, you know what I'm saying, when he first pull up, he kind of get a look at his car. Then we're gonna pull that off and put that Tiarra on there. Big Tiarra grill, quit playing. But anyway, y'all see what I got going on? I got all the chrome laid down. Everywhere it go. All the good pieces of chrome. I just want to show y'all this process. You know what I'm saying? Cause we finna get ready to put this chrome on here and it's gonna look like a different car. So, you know what I'm saying? Get your good looks at it. Cause I'm about to go in. I'm gonna try to get all this chrome put on this car today, but I don't know, man. Hey, time ticking. And I'm kinda tired from yesterday. Cause I painted this car and did other work, and plus with my everyday life stuff I had to do for myself. But ain't that paint busting though, y'all? Ooh wee. Ain't that paint busting? Ooh wee. But yeah, I just updating y'all real quick. Y'all know how I get down. Let me put this camera down and get to work, baby. Watch the seat. Damn. That motherfucker tight. Y'all see, y'all get the drill. All right, y'all, man, I've been working. Y'all see I got some of that chrome on there. Most of it. Got the wheel well trim on, rocker panel trim on. And we coming on around, y'all. It's looking like a car now. It's looking like a car now, y'all. Oh yeah. Let me zoom out a little bit for y'all. Oh yeah. It's looking like a car now, ain't it, y'all? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got the tail light sitting in. Tag bracket in. I just got the tail light sitting in. I ain't even got the screws in them because he got a reverse light blown out right there. We got a tail light bulb blown out right there, and I really didn't pay attention to the other side. So I know he need at least one pack of bulbs. Got the chrome all the way on this side. Yes, sir. Looking good. Oh, that thing looking good. Man, if you say that thing ain't looking good, you a hater. And you need to click off my channel right now. It look good. It look good. You know what I'm talking about? For a free paint job I did for my partner. Yes, sir. You can't miss. Yeah, you can't miss. But what I'm about to do is now, I'm finna try to finish up putting the rest of this chrome on here. And I think what I'm finna do is get them bumper fillers and get started on putting them bumper fillers on there. Cause as you can see, all right, y'all. Yeah, man, my gimbal started tripping. But yeah, you can see the rear bumper, man. That rear bumper butt naked, so I'm probably finna go ahead and try to get these bumper moldings, these bumper impact strips on the back of this old box Chevy right here. He out of there. He been wanting these for a long time. I told him, man, you gotta have them impact strips on the Caprice, man. You gotta have them. Yeah, I see how he broke up on the front. You know what I'm saying? Just broke. This side broke. All right, y'all. Yeah, man, that gimbal was tripping out again. But as you can see, that thing broke. That bumper filler is out of there. It's been out of there for a while. That piece there broke. Crack, crack, crack. This piece here broke. You know, so we're gonna get that off of there and put the new ones on. He got them brand new ones. He trying to be right. So let's get him right, y'all. Yes, sir. Watch the seat. All right, y'all. It's been a little while, man. And I done got a bunch of this chrome on this car, man. I'm about to burn out for the day. I just told my girl, man. But boy, that thing looking good, ain't it, y'all? Look at it. Yes, sir. That chrome make a difference, don't it? I'm almost through. Y'all see I got all the chrome on it? Y'all see I got the chrome on there. You know what I'm saying? Come back. I got the chrome on it. Front end looking good. Front end looking good. I hate that little run right there, man. I got to get that very quickly. Ooh, look at that mirror here. Yeah. Yeah, she looking good with that chrome on it. She looking good with that chrome on it, y'all. Real talk. Yes, sir. Oh, kicking chrome pieces. Ooh. Look at that metallic, y'all. Look at that metallic, y'all. Look at that metallic here. Look at that metallic here. All the way across, y'all. All the way down. All up in them jams. Shining. Glossy. Look at that bumper filler, y'all. Look at that bumper filler. But yeah, she looking good, y'all. That paint curing up. Today that paint really curing up, looking good. And it's still sitting in the shade, kinda. But yeah, we got that chrome on there. Y'all watch this heat. I got a little bit to go, man. I gotta put a couple more pieces of chrome on here and figure out what's going on with the lights and wait on my partner to get off at 4. And we're gonna put the Tiarra grill on there. Yes, sir. Y'all watch this heat. It's going down, baby. Alright, y'all. My boy that made it and checked out his car, man. And he done showed up with that Tiarra grill. Like I told y'all, man, we ain't playing no game. Triple mesh weed, man. 3rd gen, you know what I'm saying? With the tag on there, man. Shout out to Tony, man, once again, man. Coming through for that top quality, you know what I'm saying? Welcome my boy to that $1 Million Smile Club, man. We're gonna get it put on in just a minute, man. Yes, sir. We already took that other grill back off as soon as he got here, and we're gonna get it put on in just a second. Y'all watch this heat. I told y'all we ain't playing no game, man. It's going down. Yes, sir. Yeah.
I'm sweating like a motherfucker.
I know. It's hot than a motherfucker out here. But it's all good. It's a beautiful, blessed day.
Yes, sir.
I'm so happy. See it up there. Tuck your wires in there.
Get that good.
Let's see, we're gonna go this way with it. Just tuck your wires in there like that. Slide in there real slowly. Make sure your wire don't kick. And make sure you don't chip your paint. And when you get it snug in there, just hold it there. Ooh, that looks so good. Ooh, wait, y'all see that? Lord have mercy, ain't nothing like that Tiarra grill. You almost there? Snug up, kind of wiggle it up and down a little bit. I think you there. Let me put this camera down. All right, y'all, man. Boy, I done put all the chrome around the windows. I got all the chrome around the windows. That thing looking good. Y'all see it? Yes, sir. My boy said he ready to take that thing home today. I gotta put the lights, the screws in the tail lights. I ain't get a chance to put the front bumper and the rear bumper impact strips on today, but I'm gonna put them on another day. I got his trunk lock put in, brand new trunk lock. You know what I'm saying? My boy ready to go knock that trunk a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it. Got all the chrome back on that thing. I gotta adjust this one a little bit. It's a little wonky right here. But yeah, y'all see it. And y'all thought I was playing. Yeah, y'all see it. Big Tiarra grill. Big Tiarra grill. Shout out to Tony, man, for that $1 Million Smile one more time, man. Tony never cease to amaze me with that quality, man. It's nothing else better. Man, y'all better go get y'all one of them Tiarra grills and quit playing games, man. Hit up Tony, man. That Tiarra grills, man, they make them from any kind of vehicle, any kind of year, make, or model, you feel me? But yeah, y'all watch this heat. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all click that notification bell so you'll never miss a drop I got coming, man. Y'all like the video, just leave me a like on the video, man. And if you got any question, comments, or opinion, man, y'all leave it in the comment box below. Y'all watch this heat. I'm gonna give y'all a little video after he leave. I know he's gonna turn that music on. Watch this heat. That nigga crazy, shit.